Earth is our home, but how much do we really know about it? Beneath its familiar landscapes lies a world full of mystery, wonder, and astonishing natural phenomena. Get ready to see Earth as you've never seen it before. Number 1. The deepest places on Earth. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of it. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, plunges over 36,000 feet. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Down there, creatures unlike anything on the surface thrive in complete darkness, proving that life finds a way in even the most extreme conditions. Number 2. The hottest and coldest places on Earth. Earth experiences some of the most extreme temperatures imaginable. The hottest recorded temperature on Earth was 134 degrees, 56.7 degrees, in Death Valley, California. Meanwhile, the coldest place ever recorded is Antarctica's East Antarctic Plateau, where temperatures drop to 128.6 degrees, 89.2 degrees C. Could you survive in these extreme conditions? Number 3. Hidden underground worlds. Beneath our feet lie vast underground worlds. Mexico's Nica Crystal Cave is home to massive selenite crystals, some over 30 feet long. Meanwhile, in Turkey, the ancient underground city of Derinkuyu could house up to 20,000 people. These hidden realms show just how much of Earth remains unexplored. Number 4. The strangest natural phenomena. Earth is home to some truly bizarre natural wonders. In Antarctica, a waterfall known as Blood Falls flows with iron-rich water, giving it a red, blood-like appearance. Meanwhile, bioluminescent waves make beaches glow blue at night. And fire tornadoes, yes, actual tornadoes of fire, can occur during wildfires. Nature never ceases to amaze. Number 5. The loneliest and most isolated places. Ever wanted to escape the modern world? The most isolated human settlement is Tristan da Cunha, a tiny island in the middle of the South Atlantic Ocean, over 1,500 miles from the nearest mainland. And then there's Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, the farthest point from any land. It's so remote that astronauts aboard the International Space Station are often closer to it than any human on Earth. Number 6. The world's oldest living things. What's the oldest living thing on Earth? The answer might surprise you. Some deep-sea corals are over 4,000 years old. The Methuselah tree in California has been standing for nearly 5,000 years. But the real champion? Pando, a massive aspen grove in Utah, is estimated to be over 80,000 years old. Number 7. Mysterious places that science can't explain. Despite all our scientific advancements, some places remain a mystery. The Bermuda Triangle is infamous for unexplained disappearances. The sailing stones of Death Valley move across the desert floor without human or animal interference. And in some places, like Magnetic Hill in Canada, objects appear to roll uphill. Science is still searching for answers. Number 8. The most alien-looking places on Earth. Some places on Earth look straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Danakil Depression in Ethiopia is filled with colorful, bubbling acidic pools. Socotra Island is home to dragon's blood trees, which look like something from another planet. And the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat, creates a mirror effect that makes you feel like you're walking on the sky. Number 9. Earth's hidden ecosystems. Life exists in the most unexpected places. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents support entire ecosystems without sunlight. Underground lakes in Antarctica hold microbial life that has been isolated for millions of years. Even in the driest deserts, tiny organisms survive inside rocks, proving that life on Earth is more resilient than we ever imagined. Number 10. The changing planet. Past and future. Earth is constantly changing. Ice caps are melting, Forests are shrinking, and cities are expanding. But with new technology, we're also finding ways to protect and restore our planet. What will Earth look like in 100 years? The future is in our hands. Earth is a planet full of wonders, both known and unknown. Every corner of our world has a story to tell, and there's still so much to discover. Which of these earthly marvels amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing content.